hasn't this become about politics now? Because you've always said you're a proud Maharashtrian. Uddhav Thackeray talks about defending Maratha pride. Isn't this more about politics, Kangana getting Y+ security from the BJP, than it is actually about issues or the film industry?
What we know, what I know as not even as a Maharashtrian, as just a citizen of this country and as a citizen, as a proud Mumbaikar, I would call it, is that that is not right. That is not how it is going to play out, because you're insulting all of us, the people who have showered love and affection on you, and you're setting up a very wrong example for people of this country. I don't think many people would like to see, their kids having an inspiration like Kangana, who speaks in this kind of language. I mean, which girl from a civilized culture house would use this kind of language to say, kya ukhad loge, kiska baap ka kya hai, all of these words, speaking all in this manner about a senior colleague like Jaya Bachchan ji. Is it all in a good taste? Is it all in any kind of Indian culture? Which page of Indian culture teaches us this?
I think that's a very important point. And again, I said it's interesting that an actor, even though of course you were in politics for a while, holds up the mirror to the media on what actually the focus should be. I'm glad that we of course began with COVID and China. But just to say, because you asked a very valid question, is this a soap opera to divert from other things? And Kangana should play the victim card to bring in here. But the politics, and we talk about the film industry as the villain, but really politics is a different world altogether, which has many different levels of, say, conspiracies or plots going on at the same time. There's the Bihar elections happening. There's the fact of the BJP versus the Shiv Sena playing out. And the fact that Kangana's Pali Hill office was demolished within 24 hours for taking on the Sena. Whatever she's saying, you may or may not agree with it, but surely demolishing her office is wrong. To call her names is wrong. People were also saying that, you were in the Congress and that's why you were saying this now against her.
They will say what they want to say. And like I said, that no matter how much I try to say that this is not a political statement or interview that I'm doing, this is out of my social responsibility to the people of this country. And I will maintain that. Secondly, yes, what happened with her office and a certain word being used against her was completely condemnable. And I would never stand up for such kind of actions or such things. But the point right now is that all these things spoken and said, why is so much importance given to this whole thing is what I'm trying to understand. Every second day she puts up a tweet, every second day the main media is carrying it and conducting, those trying time debates on why she spoke this, why she spoke that, why she spoke that. But there are so many other things, let alone all of these things. Today, we have to think that Y+ security that was given to her, that has come from the money that we have paid. We as taxpayers, can you say tomorrow because of the act of God, can I not pay the tax? We can't say that, na? We have to pay, we have to bring in that money, we have to somehow survive and struggle and survive. So let us just talk about all these other issues instead of these particular things. So actors have to decide, and even people have to decide and choose as to what they want to talk about, what they want to concentrate on. Absolutely. And not be this moronic country where people are just made into slaves to this buffoonery that media is constantly subjecting us to. It's embarrassing that the watchman of somebody's building, this Riya Chakravarti's building, the delivery boy, they're almost harassed, they're almost manhandled. The poor guy is like, mujhe kuch pata nahi, he doesn't know what the hell is happening.
Absolutely.
So we have we stood so low? Have we become so?
No, I think that's a question. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's a question I have no answer for. It's ridiculous how the way the media coverage of this.
To this very sad fact that a very wonderful human being, a very marvelous star and actor, and a very sensitive, sensible person like Sushant Singh, he loses his life, whether he killed himself or some other people killed him, whatever. But in this whole thing, a morbid mockery of his, his death has happened. There is no two way about it. I just wish and pray his soul is resting in peace, and he's not looking at all of this and wondering that maybe it was good that today he's being called a drug addict one day, something else, was he suffering disorders. All these things are coming across, and they're not reflecting the guy in good light. He was a wonderful, hardworking actor, and that is how I would like to remember him, and I would think that all his fans would like to remember him.